from the National Weather Service.
What is this?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 228, effective until midnight Tuesday.
What?
This watch includes the following marine location: Chesapeake Bay north of Falls Island, Maryland.
What? My first SVA at home. We just had one like 2 days ago. What?
Stay tuned for more weather radio, commercial radio, and other outlets for internet sources for information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 228 has been issued until midnight Tuesday for the following marine location: Chesapeake Bay north of Falls Island, Maryland.
All right, here we go. Special Marine.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 8:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m. severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 80 nautical miles.
That's WXK97. Hello? WXK97, are you kidding me? Whatever. Fine.
Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, St. Clements Bay, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Tall Timbers, Drum Point, and Mamini Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Lower Delaware Bay.
Knew this was gonna happen. I saw this on IEM bot, so I knew this was gonna happen.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 10 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located. 29. Hazard, wind gusts. Source, wind release. Rivers and small flats have been thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and wave steps making their vessels. Locations and subjects include Wilson Meeker River. Couple Creek. Drum Point, Harbor River. St. George Island, Point No Point, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, James Island, The Targets, and Richmond Point Buoy.
Alright. Alright. WXL 39 alert.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning.
Tornado warning!
County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County.
Tornado warning! Oh my god, there's a tornado warning. No way. No way. We got a tour, alright. We got a tour.
Tornado and quarter-size hail.
I'm not 100% positive, but I think WWYY is going to relay this. This is Monroe and Northampton counties, by the way. Monroe and Northampton. WX XL39 alert.
Hendersonville, East Bangor, Bangor, Marshall Creek, Martinsville, and East Stroudsburg. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 302 and 314. Take cover now.
No way!
A basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Flooding.
For more tips and statements, Word Radio.
Alright, they're not gonna relay this.
Monroe and Northampton.
Ah, shoot. It was on KZ31. Fine.
Here is the regional weather forecast.
Alright, we got...
And nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roof, cladding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poppet, South King, Sterling, Hawley, Greentown, Ledgerdale, Treslawville, Ingalls. Building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne.
SVR. I think it's through Warren, so I believe KWO is going to relay this.
Storm was located over Bangor.
I can't hear them very good today. Maybe my 300 might get them a little better today. Oh my god, not again!
475 megahertz.
Bro! Why does this keep happening?
Martinsville, East Stroudsburg, Readers, Cresco, Arlington Heights. Mile marker 0 and 4.
Oh my...
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Monroe and Northampton.
Oh! Tornado warning! Another tornado warning!
Southeastern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m.
That's KZ31.
4:18 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located.
Another tornado warning.
Please don't scream outside.
Alright. Another tornado warning. Alright. I heard something. I can hear KZ31 like barely. Just a little bit. Another tornado warning by Binghamton this time. Alright, I can't get them anymore, so we're just gonna head back inside now. Actually, wait, I'm just gonna finish it.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne. Here is
Alright. Alright, a double header on WXL39. Nice. That's another tour.
Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near 2 p.m. Tuesday. Moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
Alright, Peach, I see how you're gonna do this. You're not gonna relay the Monroe County tour, but apparently you're gonna relay for Pike.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Come on. Like, it's for you. You should relay it.
And vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Pike County. Take cover now.
Still glad that they're at least relaying another tour.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania.
Isn't it already?
The following is a severe...
Oh my god, a tornado warning! Tornado warning on KW35? Since when could this get it?
In northwestern New Jersey, north central Warren County in northwestern
Moving north at 30 miles per hour.
4:31 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Hope, or 15 miles northwest of Lincoln, moving north at 30 miles per hour.
Okay.
Tornado and quarter-size hail.
I see the reception right now. Let's go.
Tree damage is likely.
Obviously, I'm not hoping for like any dangerous events, but I hope everybody in this warning stays safe. I mean, a tornado warning is really serious. So, this thing just died, and the first thing that it does... I'm about to hear where it's for. I know it's for Warren County, I just don't remember the others. Sussex, Warren, and Monroe counties, okay. Alright, head back to KWO real quick for the final moments. Or not.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warren County.
We are.
5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Emhouse or near Allentown, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size.
Allentown?
Source, radar indicates
IEM bot, get out of here.
damage to vehicles if possible. I will be back with damage.
Story of Ruth and Kelly Minter.
I don't know what's gonna...
Locations infected include Wellnessport, Broadheadstone.
What about WHWH, actually?
North Conshohocken, Kingston Oaks.
They gonna relay this? Okay, no, they're not. They're not relaying that.
70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 53 and 62. For your protection, room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damage,
Oh,
ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
oh my gosh.
Move indoors immediately. Remember, thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.
WLEV's not gonna tell. Wait, no! B104, 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 B104. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but...
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado with Pond, or 14 miles west of Montague, moving north at 30 miles.
What?
Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Did WXL39 just accidentally turn a continuation tornado warning? I can't tell.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
Let me me check if KWO is going off. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell if they... I'm gonna hear who this is for now. Another tour for Sussex County.
Southwinds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest late.
I'm just gonna catch this on KWO35.
Wave detail, east 1 foot at 3 seconds. Patchy fog until early morning.
Are you gonna relay?
A thunderstorm this evening.
Tornado and quarter-size hail.
These forces are thunderstorms in the east. The vicinity means that the American until they are on the...
Will be damaged or destroyed.
These winds are pretty...
Vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Locations detected include Crandon Lake, Montague, and Haynesville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home,
Finally! You're gonna activate, right? Let's see.
Northwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Crandon Lakes, or 8 miles northwest of Newton, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail.
KWO35 is kind of late to the party, but okay.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught.
Another tour, baby.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in
Good job, Sanjean, you activated.
Montague and Haynesville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Might set this on KWO35. Alright. Alright, bye. SPR for Pike County.
thunderstorm was located over Demon Ferry, 47 miles southwest of Montague, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Meanwhile, up here, down here, it's just a peaceful afternoon. Looks like the main part of the storm for me has exited.
Matamoros, Milford, and Demon Ferry. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh,
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. While the tornado go at once into the basement or small central room on the lowest floor of a
I'm
building.
just gonna set that on KW.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county.
Pike, Pennsylvania.
At 5 p.m.
Warning for West Central Orange County in southeastern New York until 7:15 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Millrick or near Matamoros, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicators. Impact, damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of West Central Orange County. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.